Stan, we will today prepare one traditional Serbian dish we call it sarma. Pancetta.
Pancetta is good. Smells really good. So far, can't complain.
Stan is like professional cook.
Yeah, I'm a professional eater. I like to cook. I love to cook. That's the good thing in my job is that I travel and I can discover different food. So like for example, coming here, discover the specialty for me, that's what I love to eat too, so perfect job.
Now you put everything outside. Little bit. Bravo. Top. You make better sarma, more Serbian cooks. Excellent. Please try it. It's your sarma.
Magnifico, magnifico. Perfect for before match. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.